These are the latest and greatest, the updated versions of the underwater drones. We got drone pilots, we chartered our own boat, and hopefully today's shots are going to be incredible. Thanks for giving us the idea, and thanks for watching the last video. I think it has over 1 million views right now. It was a lot of fun. We went to Lake Powell, Utah. We flew the drone under, and it was cool. But the top comments from that were, go somewhere where the water is clear, because Lake Powell was a little murky. We got a few shots, but it wasn't great. Give it a real test in really good water to see what these drones can actually do. So, all right, Bryce, you ready for this?
I'm so ready for that.
You're gonna dive down?
Yep.
You're gonna wear a life jacket? Does Nelly know that you're not gonna wear a life jacket?
She'd say go for it.
Okay, good. They are the adventure family. Brand new cable. Look at that. Ooh, the plastic's coming off. You guys remember the setup? Here's the remote controller right here with the phone connected to it. This will transmit in 720p. The image will, but it's filming on this in 4K. We have 40 minutes at this spot. We're gonna try to get as many cool shots as we can. Just powering up. All right, the first spot we went to, we couldn't see anything because we're too far away from any of the statues. As long as the boat goes the right direction and we don't get anything tangled in the motor, I think we'll be good.
Oh God.
The guy didn't stop us over the underwater museum, so now we're stuck. This guy's coming close on the boat. I think he's giving him drinks or something. All right, so we only have 40 minutes at this spot, and we had to wait for a little bit because another boat came and they needed to give them some Coronas. So here we are. The greatest charter. All right, the Coronas have been given to the other boat, and now we are officially on top of the museum. How much time do we have here?
15.
We have 15 minutes at this spot, and we have 20 at the next, so. So we had a bit of an issue yesterday with the boat. You saw the, the one like sharing Coronas with people. The thing was called, if you're in Cancun, definitely stay at the Marriott Cancun. Definitely do not do, it costs tons of money and they don't give you very much time out there. So today we decided we need to get out there. We have one more day. And we thought it would be the safest if we went with Nemo. So we found him. Right here. Yeah, that's the best joke I've got this early. I'm pretty tired. Starting out a little bit better than yesterday, but still, I don't know that we're ever meant to actually get to this underwater museum. Now we've got the Coast Guard, police after us.
That's not good.
Yeah, this is trouble. I'm just gonna, if anything else happens, I'm just gonna jump overboard and swim back to shore.
Gracias, amigos.
All right, good news, guys. The police are going that way. We are not going back right now. We're going out to the actual museum. All right, mission accomplished. Now the question is, do we have enough gas to get back? We're about to find out. Or does the engine work? Those are two small variables, but we got the shots. I'm excited to get back and see the footage. You guys have probably already seen it, but overall, fun experience in Cancun. The water is warmer than Hawaii, which I like. the boats maybe don't work as well as Hawaii. Look at the sign. Look at it. Oh, it's going faster and faster. Yes. Oh man.
One.